Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to set personal ringtone on it for a contact on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your diepad. So I'm going to click on here to open my diepad, just like so. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact. So let's say, for instance, I want to use this particular contact. So what we need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top. And the next thing we want to do is to simply click on set ringtone. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on add ringtone. Then from your phone file manager, select on your phone file manager. Then it take you to all the audio file you have in your phone file manager. From here, you can select any custom ringtone you want to add for a particular contact. So once you're done, so I'm going to select this. Once you're done, simply hit on done right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.